Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix USB devices not getting recognised on Windows 10. Select Start menu and then search PowerShell and run as administrator. I'll have the following command in the description for you to just copy and paste. But what you're going to want to have to enter is msdt.exe space -id space devicediagnostics and hit enter. On your system you should try to troubleshoot the problem. If that doesn't work, go to Device Manager, expand USB controllers at the bottom, right click on USB root hub and update driver, select search automatically. If your drivers are up to date, just close this tab. Now plug in your USB or USB hub. It should appear under your controllers. Mine is labelled USB mass storage device. Right click and select update drivers and search automatically for drivers. Then close the tab if it's up to date. Next, you're going to want to search for the edit power plans. Select change advanced power settings, expand USB settings, expand again, and under settings disable this and apply. And then you're going to want to restart your system. Once your system has rebooted, open command prompt as administrator. Then enter cls space -- refresh. This will simply clear the command prompt screen. Then you're going to want to enter sfc/scannow. This will scan and repair any corrupt files on your computer. Once that's finished scanning and repairing, you're going to want to enter chkdsk. This will check if any of your disks have any issues. Once it's done checking all your disks, you're going to enter sfc/scanfile equals C drive Windows System 32 ieframe.dll and hit enter. And finally, you're going to want to enter sfc/verifyfile equals C drive Windows System 32 ieframe.dll. Once you've done all these steps, your USB device should be working properly. I'll have all the commands I used in the description if you just want to copy and paste them. If you're still having issues, let me know in the comments below. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It would really help the channel out a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.